Hey guys, it's your boy Will here with another YouTube video. Another nature video. Let's go. I was just chilling out, riding my bike on a trail. I thought to check out nature, and I might as well record a video. So, yeah, this is basically right there's a log jeep that you can walk in like a bridge. But anyways, I was just bored, so I thought I might as well make a video. So yeah, just chilling. I was on my bike. I want to check out some nature by the trail. It's a little snow right there, but I was walking my bike instead, so I don't get hurt because it's kind of icy. Yeah, basically. I was just bored. Yeah, look at that beautiful nature, y'all. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. It's nice and beautiful. It's nice and quiet. Peace and quiet. Yep, out here and quiet. I don't care. Oh, there's like a can here. Tuna, maybe? I don't know, but I'm gonna probably recycle it. Yeet! Broke that and pulled it out. Again, yeet! I like saying yeet a lot, so. Oh, sorry, that's my finger. But anyways, I was just chilling. Nature. So I might as well say hello. Yeah, pretty much. Show you guys some nature. Alright, going across the bridge again. My bike's right there. It's kind of hard to see. I'll show you in just a second. Say hello to my bike. To Will's bike. Yep. I'm gonna go now. Peace. And have a nice weekend. Nice Friday, because today's Thursday, obviously. Peace out. Will out.